Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll discuss about set operations. In earlier video, we have discussed about basic operations like how can we add, how can we remove the element, how can we represent the set. But in this video, I'll discuss about set operations like union, intersection, difference. So let's discuss that one. So set operation. Set operation. Set operation. So first operation is set that is union. That is union. So how to perform? Let's suppose we have a set like x equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay, we have x 1, comma 2, comma 3, and we have y equals to 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay, so if we apply here union, then we have two ways. First one is x, this is the OR operator, bitwise OR operator, and y. Okay, small x and small y, c. And another way is x dot union, and provide the y. So this is for union. And if we talk about intersection, in the same way, intersection, intersection, in the same way, x and operator, we can use and operator, y, or we can use x dot intersection is a function, intersection, and provide the y. So this is for intersection. And now next operation is difference. So how can we find the difference? Simply x minus y or x dot difference, x dot difference is a function and provide the value of y. Okay, so this is about difference. And let's come on symmetric difference. Set symmetric difference. Set symmetric difference. Yes, y double m e t r i c, symmetric difference. And symmetric difference will provide except the common in both. Okay, in that way we can understand symmetric difference will provide the value except all the value except the common in both. So how can we perform? There is operator x, this is bitwise OR operator, x operator y, x bitwise OR operator y, or symmetric difference itself a function. So x dot symmetric, s y double m e t r i c, symmetric underscore difference, d I double f e r e n c underscore symmetric difference, and provide the y. So this is the set operations. Okay, so now let's go to the PyCharm. Set operation 2, we can make file 1 set operation set ps2 set of 2, and let's start. Okay, so we can take the same example as here we have taken. So now first operation is union. As we have discussed, union is performed by two ways. First one is union function, and another one is for union we can use bitwise OR operator, that is this one. Okay, so now let's print x OR operator, bitwise OR operator y, and next one print x dot union uni union and provide the y. So let's print this one and see what happens. See, 1 2 3 4 5 union means all the value except common, all the value, all the value at only one time. Okay, so 3 both common, so 3 is coming only once. Okay, so this is the union, and next come intersection. Intersection. So as we know, intersection is also we can find in two way. One is AND operator, and intersection itself a method. Intersection is itself a method. So let's apply print x and y and print x dot intersection y, x dot intersection y, and let's print this one. See what the output. See, 3 is a common in both, so intersection will provide the common element only. Okay, now the next operation is union intersection, and the next operation is difference. Okay, so we'll copy from here only. Okay, so difference, so just print these one, print print x minus y. Okay, and print okay, so let's see, difference is a function. Let's see what happens. Okay, see 1 and 2, and the last operation is symmetric. Last operation is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference will provide all the element except common in both. Okay, so it will exclude the common element only. So the common element is here 3. So let's see. So symmetric difference is also we can find with two ways. One is bitwise JOR operator, or symmetric difference is a itself function SYMM ETRIC symmetric underscore difference DIFFERENCE symmetric difference itself function. So let's apply print x bitwise JOR and y. Okay, now print x dot symmetric difference SY symmetric difference and provide y. So see, it will provide the output. What output? 1 2 4 5. 1 2 4 5. So let's see, 1 2 4 5. See, 1 2 4 5 two times, because first one this one and second one this one. Okay, so far I have completed union operation, intersection operation. Union operation we can find two ways. One is union itself a function, and this is bitwise OR operator. And intersection we can find two ways, AND operator by using AND operator, and intersection itself a function. So, and difference we also find in two ways. One is minus operator, and second one is difference itself a function. Okay, difference itself a function. Okay, and now next one, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means except common element, it will print all except common. So we can this is the bitwise JOR operator, and symmetric difference itself a function. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you like, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.